Guys, so today I wanted to go over the new lesson. We're going to be still converting measurements, but instead of length like we did, we're going to be doing weight. Okay, so this is our notes page, okay, just like we did for the beginning of last lesson. So the objective for today is in this lesson, okay, you will learn how to convert weight in customary measurement by using a conversion chart. Okay, so again, I gave you the conversion chart right here, and I want you to use it for every question. All right, you don't feel like you have to memorize all of these. Okay, over time you will start to remember some, but I'm not mandating that you memorize it. Okay. So here, let's look. So the units, okay, that we're going to be dealing with is 1 pound. Is 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Sorry, I'm playing around with the tools here. All right. So 1 pound is 16 ounces. 1 ounce is 1/16 of a pound. So if you think which one is bigger, okay, a pound is going to be bigger than 16 ounces. There's a big misconception that students think just because the number 16 is larger than 1, they think that 16 ounces is bigger, but it's not, okay? 1 pound is bigger. So then if you look this way, 1 ounce is bigger than 1/16 of a pound, okay? So that's a big difference, 1 pound versus 1/16 of a pound, okay? Then we have tons. You may have heard the word ton, okay, before, like a vehicle is usually about 1 ton. Sometimes when you're traveling, you see signs that might say certain amount of tons, that's the limit. Okay, that's the limit of the weight of that vehicle. So 1 ton is equivalent or the same to 2,000 pounds. So think about it. However much you weigh, right? We're talking now 2,000 pounds. That's really heavy. Okay, so over here, this picture to the right, it says weight is how heavy something is. So a kitchen scale, a bathroom scale, a spring scale, or a balance scale. Okay, these are all different tools that we use to measure weight. Okay, units for weight here in the U.S. is 1 ounce, 1 pound, or 1 ton. All right, so an ounce is about 1 slice of bread. 1 pound is about a loaf of bread, and then 1 ton is about the size of a small car. All right, a trick to remember here, I think this is very important. Okay, we like our little tricks. If you're converting from a larger unit to a smaller unit, you're going to multiply. So what do I mean when I say units? Okay, so back up here, 1 pound is a unit. An ounce is a unit. A ton is a unit. All right, so 1 pound, if we were converting pound to 16 ounces, a pound is larger. So like here, we would be multiplying to find the ounces. All right, whereas here, it's the opposite. If you're converting a smaller unit to a larger unit, you're going to divide. Okay, so these are 2 examples. Okay, so example number 1. If you weighed 50 pounds at the doctor's office, how many ounces would that be? So again, just like I said before, knowing 1 pound is 16 ounces, 1 pound is larger than ounces. Pounds are larger than ounces. So what are you going to do from our little trick right here? Okay, you're going to multiply. Okay, so I would multiply 50, because that's how many pounds, times 16. Because that's how many ounces are in 1 pound. And then our answer will be 800 ounces. So if you weigh 50 pounds, you also weigh 800 ounces. They're the same thing. That is another important fact to comprehend. Okay, pounds and ounces can be equivalent. So 50 pounds is the same amount of weight as 800 ounces. Okay, example number 2. If you buy 48 ounces of gummy bears at the store, how many pounds do you have? So now we're going from ounces, which is a smaller unit, wanting to find out pounds, which is a larger unit. So again, going up to our tricks, if converting smaller to larger, we're going to divide. Okay, so knowing again 1 pound is 16 ounces, I would divide 48 by 16. Why? We have 48 ounces of gummy bears, and we know there are 16 ounces in each pound. Okay, so if we have that many, we divide it, we have 3 pounds of gummy bears. So it is equivalent or the same as 48 ounces. So 48 ounces and 3 pounds are the same amount of weight. Okay, so I hope this helps you understand converting weight. Okay, I personally think weight is a little easier than length, like we did last week. So again, your activity for today is going to be completing a Google form. Okay, just like this, like we did last time, okay, on our notes. All right, so if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. All right, have a good day, guys.